Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sylveon. To begin, you will need an Eevee. You can find Eevee roaming on Route 10, or you might receive one as a gift from a non-player character. Make sure your Eevee is ready for some special training to become the beautiful fairy-type Pokémon, Sylveon. This first step is crucial for your journey. Next, you need to build a strong bond with your Eevee through Pokémonami. Spend time playing minigames and feeding it delicious Poké Puffs. These activities will significantly increase its affection towards you. Aim for at least 2 full hearts on the affection meter. This is a vital requirement for the evolution to occur. Your Eevee will love the attention. A critical step is ensuring your Eevee knows a fairy-type move. Eevee naturally learns the move Baby Doll Eyes at level 15, which is a perfect option. If your Eevee is already past this level and doesn't know it, you can use a technical machine, or TM, to teach it another fairy-type attack. This move is absolutely essential for the evolution. Finally, with your Eevee having at least 2 hearts of affection and knowing a fairy-type move, the last step is simple. Just level up your Eevee by battling or using a rare candy. Upon gaining 1 level, your Eevee will beautifully evolve into the elegant fairy-type Pokémon, Sylveon. Enjoy your powerful new companion on your adventures.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.